Hello. Today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you to the GU10 light emitted diode bulbs with cool white function, and this here. It's also available in warm white and of course in neutral white. You can choose as you like. I choose here the cool white thing because I'm cool, of course. 6500K, that means 6500 Kelvin cool white light is coming here with nearly 800 lumen energy saving GU10 LED light bulbs with 80 watt halogen. That means it replaces an 80 watt halogen spot light bulb. It's an equivalent with it. 120 degrees of white beam for ceiling lamps and spotlights and so on. This here is energy saving LED light bulbs. It replaces 80 watt old GU10 halogen bulb with 8 watt LED GU10 bulb. This saving 92% on electricity bill, and the long lifespan up to 20,000 hours will lower our ongoing maintenance costs by reducing the lamp frequency. And it's really easy to install, as you can see. I am removing the old one and attach the new one easily. We have a standard MR16 shape, and a GU10 locking base can be easily fitted to replace ordinary GU10 halogen spotlight bulbs. We does not need to wait for warming up the lamp, for example. It is instant ready to use. With a wide angle form lights. That means 120 degrees wide angle for a bright flood general lightning, which is more diffuse and uniform than narrow angle spotlight. It lights up the whole room with no shadows because it's so powerful. The high quality GU10 bulb gives off 800 lumens, flicker free, that you can see it's really flicker free. 6500 Kelvin, cool light for pleasant, inviting and a homely atmosphere. And of course, high color rendering. CRI is more than 80. This provides vivid and natural color. And it's mercury free, UVIR free. And these cool white GU10 bulbs are ideal for our kitchen, living room, bedroom, office, restaurant, hotel, coffee shop, ceiling light fittings, wall or ceiling spotlights, track light, recessed down light, etc. etc. You can see this is really cool. GY is a specialized supplier of intelligent lighting and high luminous efficiency, ultra energy efficient lighting. They offer intelligent and ambient light source in all shapes and bases to add color to our work and life. They also offer super energy efficient convenience lighting to save our money in our energy bills. And it comes with 8 watt. That means 80 watt. Yeah, 80 watt power and 8 watt power supply. 800 lumen, from 220 to 240 volt AC with a GU10 socket. Cool white, temperature 6500 K, 120 degrees beam angle, non-dimmable. CRI is more than 80. The lifetime is more than 25 hours of working. With a color temperature of 6500, the flicker-free and instant-on GU10 LED bulbs produce 800 lumens of cool white light and create a cozy, relaxing, inviting atmosphere at home, in your kitchen, at your restaurant, or where you need a powerful light. It's also available in not so powerful light condition. It's on the market with neutral light and warm white too, as you like. You can choose. That's the GU10 LED bulbs set. It comes with Here a 5-pack, but it's also in a 12-pack available, or 10-pack. What you need, you can use. 6500K 8 watt 800 lumen energy saving GU10 LED light bulbs. These are an Halogen spotlight bulb equivalent of 80 watt, 120 degrees wide beam for a ceiling pack of 5 in my case, but you can go up to 12 with it. It looks really, really bright, and it makes your room much brighter than before. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.